DJI Mavic 3, Advanced Return to Home versus Normal Return to Home test. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. DJI Mavic 3 has two options for return to home. It has an advanced return to home and a normal return to home. Now, in the latest firmware update, there was an update to advanced return to home where the return to home altitude height could be set. So what I did was a test of normal return to home versus advanced return to home. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to test both advanced return to home and regular return to home. And let's go ahead. We're going to test regular return to home in this instance here. So let's go ahead and take off. Start video.
Takeoff.
Do auto takeoff. Up to about 100 feet. We're at 108. That's good enough. Let's go ahead and point it towards the corner over there. Right around 31 miles an hour. We're at 109 feet. It is cloudy today. Almost at the intersection. We are there right now. Let's go ahead and do return to home. Now this is a normal return to home.
Go home. Landing.
See if we stick the landing here. Okay, and we stuck the landing. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to change this to advanced return to home. Aircraft will automatically fly to an optimal return to home height route in adequate lighting conditions or ascend to a preset altitude and return to the home point in low light. Okay, so we have it set to advanced. And we're going to take it up to about 75 feet here. So let's go ahead and take off.
Takeoff.
Get up to about 75, 78 feet. There we go. Okay, that's good. To the corner over there. All right, let's go. Again, this is about 78 feet here. Almost at the intersection. And looks like we're there. Okay, now we're going to do return to home. Now remember, this is advanced return to home.
Go home.
Notice it is rising in altitude. It rose up to 92 feet. And it's right around 30 miles an hour. It's just a pitch of the gimbal here.
Landing.
Okay, we have tested both a normal return to home and advanced return to home here. Question of the day: what did you think of the advanced return to home versus the normal return to home test for the DJI Mavic 3? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.